the negative claim that there are inconsistent grading systems throughout high schools of the nation, which results in grade inflation. However, Charlotte Clark, PhD, said that colleges recognize what you do every day for 4 years as a more accurate measure of your intellectual curiosity and your academic focus than is a test that you take on one Saturday morning. Most colleges will also recalculate the GPA using only core courses, English, math, science, social studies, and foreign language in their calculations. And by college admissions officers doing this by recalculating your GPA, it gets rid of the grade inflation because they take out the easy GPA booster elective classes that high school students take. And by focusing on the core classes, it gives them a more in-depth look into the predictive success that they will have in college. Also, the negative brought up that the SAT exam is equal for everybody due to the material. However, the content of the material is not at issue because all SAT tests are basically written the same, just jumbled up into different versions. The actual problem that is wrong with SAT is that the prep that students get, the more, as we shown earlier, the more income that family have, they can prep or coach their students. Claudia Buchman from the Ohio State University conducted a study in 2006 and found that the SAT was supposed to level the playing field and allow people from all social classes to have equal access to college, but students from advantaged families still have better opportunities to reach college and access test preparation schools. The test preparation tools are what makes the SAT biased. Also, the SAT is only accurate for whites, not for Hispanics or blacks. A study done by Rebecca Zwick and Jeffrey Sklar in 2005 found that the SAT accurately predicts college outcomes only for white students. It doesn't do well in predicting outcomes such as college GPA for black and Hispanic students. By discriminating, this makes the SAT inherently biased in its nature. Also, the proposed plan that we have has already been in effect in 800 four-year colleges and universities. Bob Schaefer states that these 800 four-year colleges and universities prove that every day by being test optional and not requiring standardized test scores for admissions. Even here at Cal Poly Pomona, the SAT score is not required, but only uses it when a student's GPA and or class rank are not met. By implementing this plan, SAT optional colleges are showing great improvements in diversity. William Hiss and Valerie Franks found that non-submitting students were more likely to be minorities, women, students with learning disabilities, Pell Grant recipients, and first-generation college goers. This is significant because people don't apply to college because they feel like they're not ready. They don't have the resources to be successful in college. And one example of a university that implements this plan right now is Wake Forest University, and Martha Allman, the Dean of Admissions there, stated, "Becoming test optional has increased our racial and socioeconomic diversity and attracted students who are eager to be evaluated on their personal accomplishments, talents, and strengths rather than a standardized test score." So the three claims that me and my partner were arguing about was that the SAT score is biased based on socioeconomic status. The SAT does not show students' full potential intellectually, and that replacing the SAT with GPA will level the playing field and provide an equal opportunity for all students to have a chance at higher education.